Hi guys, today's teardown. This box, we have here an aircraft antenna diplexer, part number SSPD 11315, made by Sensor Systems Incorporated, Chatsworth, California, USA. Serial number is 1019. So we have our antenna plug here, and the two high band and low band plugs here going to the radio systems of the aircraft probably. So it seems it allows to plug to connect two different devices of different frequency range to one single antenna, I guess. So what do we have on the side here? Date stamp of May 13, 1985. Back the legs, attachment legs for it. So here you can notice the connectors and the quite amazing lock wire work on the screws of the connectors. Look at this. Incredible, it is not going anywhere. More lock wire here. So I do not know the name for these connectors. They are quite the same size than BNC, but with a thread. This one is a bigger one, a regular model for a radio, I believe. I am not very expert in name of high frequency plugs. So I will remove all these screws and we'll have a look inside. Ah, du marketing. C'est pas tout, c'est tout du marketing. C'est passé tout à l'heure. Okay, after all this work of removing the screws, I hope we will have interesting stuff inside. The cover is loose already, by the way. Is there another screw hidden somewhere? Oh no, look at this. Oh, it's sad. It is filled with foam. Yes, there is one more hidden screw, but I can loosen it like so. Well, the cover will come off. It is behind here. So, what can we do? In fact, I didn't know what we have inside. I did already, I guess, try to dig in it in the past. Not sure how far it goes. So it is some kind of, yes, hard. Well, not very hard, but kind of pink foam. I did already this, seems to be self-expanding foam. I did already see it into other craft piece, some transformer if I remember correctly. It was a box with a transformer inside and it was coated with, completely coated with this foam. Okay, so what to do? Do I try to dig in it? in order to see at least if there is something interesting. It will be quite a pain, but I really want to know what there is inside here. So I will be back. So I'm back, guys. I have been digging in this thing for like half an hour now. There is parts of foam everywhere. I did already clean the desk 2 or 3 times previously. It is quite annoying. Okay, what do we have? I will not be able to clean it better than this, I guess. We have first the plugs are sealed. We have some silicone seal here. Also there was a seal under the cover, but as I did already open it previously, it was already broken. But there are seals at the plugs. We have several of these Teflon kind of parts attached with screws on the side here. And this one even has a metal piece going all the way to the other side with another screw on the other side. We have at the bottom, it seems we have a PCB circuit board. I can see a bunch of coils made with magnet wire, handmade probably coils of magnet wires. More Teflon parts here and here. And here at the bottom, there it seems there is some piece of copper plate attached with, yes, plastic or nylon screws. I can undo the screw. I see 4 screws here, 2 here, 2 here, and a very copper colored piece. I guess it is just a copper plate. On this side, just thick tinned PCB tracks, it seems. 1 track or 1 ground layer or something like this. 1 screw here, probably attaching the PCB to the case. So there must be other screws elsewhere. And it is all. So it seems we are just a bunch of filters. By the way, there are also vertical pieces here. Not sure what they are. They are quite not hard. So maybe they are just mechanical standoffs for the coils, in order to have the coils more or less attached when you put the foam over them, in order to be sure they do not touch maybe the side of the case. This one was damaged by removing the foam, but it was in the middle also. So it must be this. And here there is another vertical piece with Teflon parts at each side of it. I can see here some kind of golden part, metal part. So I do not know if there are some kind of capacitors made with Teflon. Maybe it is possible. There are still a lot of foam everywhere. There is something in here. Yes, there is a screw here, but I do not know what it is for, this one. Okay, so at least now we know more or less what we have inside. Nothing, no active parts, just filters, it seems. Quite simple set of components. The most exciting is this Teflon parts on this copper piece at the bottom, I guess. Well, maybe I can try to undo the copper piece. Anyway, it will not. It is not intended to be reused again. So even if I remove it, I will just not reinstall it and close the box again, and it will still need be a nice display piece anyway, even if it is gutted of its contents. So there is a nylon screw here. Yes, it is coming off. There is one more nylon screw here. It is coming off also, not tight at all. So do this piece continue further on the right? Yes, it is continuing down here, and I guess we have two more copper screw, Teflon nylon screws here also. So let me undo this one. No, yes, the piece is coming now. In fact, maybe we have even two plates, not one. It seems it was one plate, but maybe we have two of them. Like little bus bars, in fact. Not sure what the purpose is for them, but they are here definitely. So, one more screw here, nylon screw. And now I should be able to pull it. Yes, so it is not a copper piece, it is just a PCB piece. As you can see, making a link between several PCB sections at the bottom, it seems. So there to link the PCBs. No, not linking, because dump IAM we have plastic screws, so there is no way it makes conductivity to the bottom layer. So rather there must be some capacitors made from PCB tracks. Yes, it is possible. They are used as capacitors. Totally possible. So it was interesting. I will probably not bother putting them back in place, because it will be quite painful. Just maybe stuck the parts inside, and we will go like this, I guess. Okay, so this was interesting, messy and interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.